Good morning, everybody. It's me. I'm back. I've been MIA and I know it, but I'm back this morning. Just got a little short, sweet video I want to share with y'all today. I'm going to be doing just some drumsticks because I got to be on the go again today. So I'm going to show y'all how to mix up a real good, what I'm calling a barbecue teriyaki sauce to go on these chicken legs. So let's get started over here because I got to get to moving here shortly. Let me get the camera set where you all can see what I'm doing here on the counter. Um, I'm going to help my friend Barb today. You know, I told y'all last week she's getting ready to open her restaurant. It is going to be so nice, y'all. And I've been doing some other things, not helping her a whole lot, but just trying to encourage her. I've been having, I think I told y'all I'm on the board at the Arts Council, so we got a lot of stuff going on there. So last week I was working on some stuff with the Arts Council and just doing things and hanging out with Lauren and just trying to spread it a little bit thin. Had a few car problems. So, life was happening to me times 10 last week. So, last week was a big, busy week for me, but I praise God that I'm back and I'm up and I'm running. I'm on this side of the dirt, as they say, or I'm pulling out the crib instead of somebody pulling it out for me. So, here we go this morning. I'm going to make some drumsticks just to leave some cooked food because I haven't cooked a lot this week. You know how you get that guilt trip going? So I said it's Saturday morning. I had these drumsticks. So I have already seasoned them up. Just season them with my usual season. Some garlic. I use some the minced garlic, just about a tablespoon on them. I had my seasoning that we mixed up a long time ago. If y'all tuned in with me, remember we talked about getting you a bottle of seasoning that you can use on your chicken, ribs, fish, anything you want to use it on. So I've still got some of that left over. Remember I told y'all the 2 tablespoon deal, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of the chicken broth mix, the dry chicken broth mix, a tablespoon of black pepper, and a tablespoon of salt. Put it in a jar and mix it all up like that, and you'll have it. So when you get ready to do chicken and other meats, and you want, have a lot of time to, throw it in everything, it's already mixed for you. Okay, I sprinkle probably a good tablespoon on those 10 chicken drumsticks, and I put a tablespoon of my rice vinegar on there just to give it an extra little punch. So you got your salt, you got your tart, and all that going on there. So I decided with these chicken legs today, I did want to just make barbecue chicken legs, but I thought, you know what, I'm gonna switch it up. I need me a little different kind of sauce because Kareem and Lauren are here, so I'm gonna give them a little extra flavor today. So what I did, I went ahead and mixed a tablespoonful of this Scott's barbecue sauce. I did a fourth of a cup of this red wine. This is called, let's see, Pinot Noir. My girlfriend, Barbara told me, she said, Peggy, you can't drink that. You can cook with it. So I cook with this. She says it's horrible because she likes Pinot Grigio and I had Noir, so she told me the difference. So I put a fourth of a cup of this Pinot Noir in there, a couple tablespoons of that Scott's barbecue sauce. I had about a fourth of a bottle of Sweet Baby Ray's, threw that in there, a fourth of a cup of teriyaki sauce in there, or marinade rather. And I also had some about that much of this Food Line brand honey barbecue sauce. So I didn't have enough of any one thing to use one thing. So what did I do? I mixed it all together. And when first I just did the barbecue sauces, and then I threw that teriyaki in there, and it made all the difference in the world. So this is going to be a teriyaki barbecue sauce. I got my oven set to 375, and I'm going to bake these about an hour and a half uncovered. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and put me a lot. I'm going to just douse them. You have to put a lot of barbecue sauce now on it because I'm going to be baking them without the cover. Okay, so that should be good enough. Nothing special. This is quick and easy, y'all. Trust me, prep time on this is probably 10, 12 minutes. And then, of course, the cook time is what's going to take it a little bit of time to cook. So, as you can see, I've got the barbecue sauce going on in there. And what I'm going to have to do, though, is since I'm cooking them with the lid off, I'm going to have to go in there and about 15, 20 minutes, I'm going to turn them. So as this barbecue sauce cooks down and into the chicken, it's going to be nice and flavorful. So that's it for today. That's all I have for you, because you know what? I got to get going again. I'm telling y'all, in a little while, I'm going to go out and help my friend Barbara. She is opening her restaurant this coming Wednesday, the 8th of August. So you all keep her lifted in prayer that it'll be an easy transition for her. And you've already prayed her through finding a place. Y'all help me pray her through finding her place that we were talking about earlier. And it happened so fast. So we know that she's going to have a great opening. The place is absolutely beautiful. As soon as I can, I'm going to get in there and shoot a video, and I'll put it up for you all to see, because I feel like you all are part of it, because those of you who prayed for her and who know her from coming over to the house here, sitting with me and talking with me sometimes. So we have to pray each other up in good times and in bad times, times when we're hurting, times when we're rejoicing. So we're doing uplifting. We're holding her arms up. We're lifting her up that she won't have any stress going through this transition. Her place is a small, cozy place, but the prayer that we're praying is that she'll find a bigger place and will expand, because not only just for her business, but so more people will have the opportunity to enjoy, because she has a really God-blessed vision for the restaurant business. She's going to be serving the not Cajun, but the Jamaican and the English cuisine. It's just going to be wonderful. So I'm not going to try to tell you all about it right now. I will get a menu, I will take some pictures, and I will post it so that you all can see it. So until these chicken legs are ready to come out of the oven, I'm going to say hang on just a minute for me, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, there it is. That beautiful, beautiful baked teriyaki barbecue chicken. Hope you all join me in the beginning and listen to the recipe. Cooked it about an hour and 15 minutes. And it is falling off the bones, y'all. Look at it. So this is my real quick teriyaki barbecue chicken drumsticks. This is a nice, quick Saturday meal. I got to run out for a little while to help my girlfriend Barb do a couple of things, just a couple of things. Then I'm going to come back about a couple of hours, and I'm going to come back in here and sit back, relax, and enjoy. And I'm not all that help up on having a whole bunch of sides with it, so I decided to go ahead and throw a couple of pieces of corn on the cob in a pot and boil them up. I got just some, of course, butter, sugar, and a little bit of salt in there. So, fourth a cup of butter, a cup and a half of water, about 2 tablespoons of sugar. Put it in there, mix it up, boil it, and just let it boil. I let mine boil for about 30 minutes. It's just frozen corn. That's all it is to it, y'all. And that's a good old meal. And if you want to, you can go ahead and do your tossed salad to go with it. But the mainstay here is this teriyaki barbecue chicken drumsticks with that special sauce that I whipped up and put on there, because I didn't have enough barbecue sauce, so I made it a teriyaki barbecue. So that's how you improvise, especially on days when you're not planning on cooking at all. So listen, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in with me on this Saturday that I don't hardly ever cook on. But I had to, because I got to leave my baby something here to eat while I run out. And then I'm going to come back in here, like I said, and relax. But in between that, a friend called, wants to come by and chit-chat with me a little bit. So I'm going to have to whip up some sandwiches probably when I get back. So if I decide to whip up some sandwiches, because I know this chicken is going to be gone when I get back, because guess who's here? Kareem. He'll eat every bit of that chicken. So anywho, thank y'all again for tuning in. And look, guys, keep those prayers going up so the blessings will continue to come down on your behalf and mine, for your friends, your relatives, and just for the world, y'all. It's praying time. So y'all, sorry I've been missing in action, been missing y'all. So you know I was anxious about getting back. So here I am, I'm back. I'll be back in the kitchen tomorrow. I don't know what I'm going to cook. But, oh, again, last Sunday, it was storming and the weather knocked out my video. I had a 30-minute segment and then I had a 7-minute part to put together. And when I went to put it together, there was this big black spot because we did have some real inclement weather last Sunday, and it just knocked my film right on out. So sorry about last Sunday's dinner that I didn't get a chance to show y'all what I cooked, but my dear sweet Tanya uploaded on her channel and did her Sunday dinner on Lady T's. I think no, on the I was getting ready to say the gravy train. Certainly not the gravy train, y'all. Please, please, please. But Tanya uploaded it on her channel on the flavor train for you all to see what we did eat Sunday dinner, but I just didn't get a chance to get it out to you all on video because that weather just knocked it right out. And again, I apologize for that. So hopefully I can make up for it tomorrow. So until I video something else again, you all lay back, relax, enjoy this Saturday. It's cooling off a little bit, so enjoy. And for those of you who are in the areas where there's a lot of thunder and lightning, please be careful in these storms and pray for those who have been affected by the fires and so forth. So again, I'm going to say toodaloo, love you guys, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.